Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your life. Friends, my today's video is very creative, unique and beautiful, and it contains a wide range of beautiful hand embroidery borders or borderline embroidery. And this borderline embroidery could be used for various purposes, for different ways and various dimensions. That is, you can use these embroidery borders for designing your dresses. You can use a double pair up of these borders for designing the neckline of your dresses, for designing your sleeves borders, for making your trousers borders look more creative. You can design your shirt, frock, gown, maxi, kameez, kurti, or any type of top or shirt you wear its border along with these borderline embroidery ideas. The colors are well defined and very beautiful color combination that gives an attractive and enhanced elegance pattern based look. So my only request would be to you that kindly do explore these patterns. If you are a lover of white color embroidery, then use these patterns, and the ideas are totally entirely based on plain fabric designing ideas, plain kurti designing ideas. Guys, the concept is not only limited to this. You can design your shawls, you can decorate the borders and the four corners of your strollers, scarves, mufflers, dupattas, and many type of more creative art could be done by using these beautiful embroidery borders. And to enhance the beauty, you can use beads and pearls as well to give them more creative, fantastic and beautiful touch. The use of beads and pearls always enhance, beautifies things and stuffs and give them more formal look. So I would suggest you to use beads and pearls in these patterns. All of the entire design patterns are totally unique, new, extremely eye-catchy, extremely beautiful and ravishing design patterns are these. So I recommend you to make these patterns onto your dresses, shirts, kurtis, and even you can design the dresses, frocks of your baby girls as well. These embroidery borders are suitable for every age group person. You can use for designing your office outfits, for designing your everyday, usually formal, casual, winter and summer outfits. And the beauty of these patterns is that you can use these patterns for